Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs in UAE. Let's see the working interview and other available vacancies on today. Working interview conducting on 5th June, timing 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Khana Khazana Hospitality UAE. Vacancies are accountant, hotel receptionist, reservation sales, waiter, waitress, security, and bouncers. A minimum of 2 years of UAE experience is required in a 4 or 5-star hotel, and hotel experience is mandatory for this above position. Interview location is at Khana Khazana restaurant inside Abyss Style Hotel, Almina Street, Jumeirah, Dubai. Next walking interview conducting on 5th June, timing 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Life Group, Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are pharmacist with DOH license, sales promoter with minimum 2 years sales experience in skincare or cosmetic products, and nutrition consultant with minimum 2 years of sales experience in nutrition products. Interview location is at Life Pharmacy, Banias Tower, Electra Street, near Kaldia area, Abu Dhabi. Next walking interview conducting on 5th June, timing 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. at Al Fahim Group of Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are female store manager, as Arabic speaker, female sales associative at Arabic, female visual merchandiser. Minimum 1 year of experience as fashion or retail experience and fluent in Arabic and English as well. Interview location is at Boulevard Plaza Tower, 2604, Office Downtown, Dubai. Next walking interview conducting on 8 June. The registration time is 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. and interview time will be 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Al Khidma, Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are general technician, senior candidate should have minimum of 2 to 5 year GCC experience. Interview location is at Nargis 2, Al Rayana, Khidma office, basement in Khalifa City A. Next working interview conducting on 8 June, timing 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Galadari Food and Beverage Division, UAE. Vacancies are shift supervisor with minimum 2 year experience, shawarma cook with minimum 2 year of experience, waitress with 2 year experience, and line cooks with 2 year experience. Interview location is at Galadari Food and Beverage Division, first floor, office number 4 in Mazda showroom building near Oasis Mall, Sheikh Zayed Road. Next walking interview conducting on 8 June, timing 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. and 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and another session is 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Is at Ras Al Khaimah Academy. Interview location is at Hilton Garden Inn. The below vacancies are for secondary specialist teachers. For maths teacher, biology teacher, chemistry teacher, psychology teacher, English teacher, and head of creative arts. Book your interview through rack-academy.org. Next walking interview is on 9th June, timing 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. at AG facilities. Vacancies are heavy bus driver number 6 with minimum 1 year experience is required. Other one is manual light bus driver with number 5, 1 year experience is required. Interview location is at Al Ghurair Industries Camp, Musina, Dubai. Next vacancy is at Nova Hydraulics, UAE. Vacancies are counter salesman, outdoor salesman, and hose technician. Minimum 4 year experience in hydraulic sales is required. Send your resume by email to novasales@gmail. Next vacancy is at CAD Construction LC, Dubai. Vacancies are site engineer with road and infrastructure with approved by Abu Dhabi Municipality, procurement officer for oil and gas EPC projects, and junior planning engineer for roads and infrastructure. Send your resume by email to recruitment@cad.in. Next vacancy is at Amity International School, Abu Dhabi. The vacancy is for vice principal. Send your resume by email to careers@amity.ac.in. Next vacancy is at Infracare Facilities Management, Dubai. The vacancy is for an accountant. Minimum 3 year experience in accounting is required. Next vacancy is at Semi Contracting, UAE. Vacancies are senior planning engineer with minimum 5 year experience in planning. Next is senior draftsman with minimum 10 year experience in roads, and the last is office engineer with knowledge of roads and infrastructure. Send your resume by email to jobs20239@gmail.com. Next vacancy is at Mahmoud Malik International, UAE. Vacancies are accountant, finance manager, HR and admin assistant, motor fleet supervisor, cashiers, merchandisers, Arabic local PRO, and Arabic local sales manager. Send your resume by email to hr@mmigt.com. Next vacancy is at Rackbank Ras Al Khaimah. The vacancy is for contact center representative. Minimum 1 year of experience in a contact center, preferably in banking or telecommunication. Send your resume by email to ramil.alamo@rack. Next vacancy is at Fakhruddin Properties, Dubai. It's for hotel and holiday home industry. Vacancies are business development manager for holiday homes, room attendant, bellboy, receptionist or guest relations executive. Next is for facility or property management industry. Vacancies are painter, aluminum fabricator, building supervisor or engineer, building development manager for FM background, technician or multi-technician for civil, electrical or HVAC. The above candidate should have at least 2 to 3 years of experience working in UAE, ideally from a similar industry. Send your resume by email to hr@fakhruddinproperties.com. Next vacancies at Al Hussein Group, UAE. Vacancies are electrical engineer for site, 1 year GCC experience is required. Office mechanical engineer, 1 year GCC experience is required. Quantity surveyor, 4 year experience in contract company is required. For plumber, 1 year GCC experience is required. For sales executive, 2 year experience in contracting company is required. Next is electrician, 1 year GCC experience is required. The last is HVAC technician, 1 year GCC experience is required. Send your resume by email to hr@Al Hussein Group. Next vacancies at Adib Group, UAE. Vacancies are facilities manager and assistant facilities manager. Minimum 8 to 10 years of GCC or UAE experience in facilities management industry is required with bachelor or master degree in electrical or mechanical engineering. Send your resume by email to hr@adibgroup.com. Next vacancies at RADS Contracting LLC, UAE. The vacancies are safety engineer or safety officer. Code number is 0516024. Minimum 4 to 5 year experience is required. Next is junior planning engineer. Next is procurement engineer. Next is QAQC engineer. Send your resume by email to info@radscontracting.com. Next is at Shifa Al Jazeera Medical Group, Dubai. The vacancy is for receptionist. Send your resume by email to hr@Shifa Al Jazeera. Next vacancy is at Goltons, Dubai. The vacancy is for engine mechanic, marine mechanic, service engineer for engine services, supervisor for engine services, technician for heat exchange, motor, welder, janitor, and gardener. Send your resume by email to careers.dubai@goltons.com. Next vacancy is at Star Service LLC, UAE. The vacancy is for administrative assistant. Minimum 4 year experience is required in security stock exchange, bachelor degree in business administration or a related field. Send your resume by email to cv@starservices.ae. Other email ID is jobs@starservices. Next vacancy is at Al Nasser Contracting, Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are HSC manager with minimum 12 year experience is required. For HSC engineer, minimum 8 year experience is required. Next is HSC officer with minimum 3 year experience is required. And the last is road safety coordinator with 2 year experience is required. Send your resume by email to careers@Al Nasser. Next vacancy is at Asian Tiger Shipping, UAE. The vacancy is for sales executive for liner agency, sales executive for freight forwarding, sales executive for air freight department. The next is operation executive for freight forwarding. Send your resume by email to hr@asiantigershipping.com. Next vacancy is at Albanian Group, UAE. The vacancy is for help desk operator. Requirements are knowledge. Next vacancy is at Sharaf DJ, UAE. Vacancies are sales executive, supervisor, customer support engineer, smart home sales manager for retail customers, sales engineer for energy, team leader for customer care executive, area supervisor for telecom, and telesales executive. You can apply through sharafdj.zohorecruit.com. Next vacancy is at Innova Group, UAE. Vacancies are laundry attendant, laundry supervisor, and housekeeping supervisor. Minimum 2 to 3 year experience as facilities management is required. Send your resume by email to recruitment@innova-me. Next vacancy is at TCE Group, UAE. The vacancy is for sales executive. Minimum 2 year experience is required. On vehicle also required as well. Send your resume by email to hrsalestce@gmail. Next vacancy is at Era Supermarket, Dubai. Vacancies are branch manager, night manager, data entry, fish cutter, vegetable cutter, and ushers. Send your resume by email to hr.assist@neweradubai.com. The other email ID is hr@neweradubai. Next vacancy is at Sushi Samba, Dubai. Vacancies are floor supervisor, waiter, assistant reception manager, head waiter, head bar attender, hostess, minimum 1 year experience in similar role, excellent communication skills in English and additional language. Send your resume by email to careers.lifestyle@sunsethospitality.com. Next vacancy is at Espresso Etisalat Premium Channel Partner, Dubai. The vacancy says Avaya Sales Specialist. Send your resume by email to info@espresso. Next vacancy is at Imperial Catering LLC, Abu Dhabi. Vacancies are Executive Chef, Sous Chef, Chef de Cuisine, Demi Chef, Kitchen Support Staff, Emirati Food Chef, Filipino Food Chef, Menu Engineer Specialist, and F&B Cost Controller. Send your resume by email to recruitment@imperial-catering.com. Next vacancy is at Al Asif Group, Dubai. The vacancies are masons for block, plaster and tile. The other one is general helpers. Send your resume by email to info@Al Asif Group. Next vacancy is at Rhoda Hotels, Dubai. The vacancies for sous chef. Send your resume by email to hr.rbr@rhoda-hotels. Next vacancy is at Bupin, UAE. The vacancies are account executive and regional business director. Send your resume by email to hello at. Next vacancy is at Madinat Contracting, Dubai. Vacancies are accountant. Send your resume by email to info@Madinat Contract. Next vacancy is at New Maxter, UAE. Vacancies for ELV technician with minimum 3 year experience is required. The other one is business development executive with minimum 3 year experience as outdoor sales in IT and ELV with a driving license. Send your resume by email to hr@newmaxter. Next vacancy is at Bawabat Al Shifa Pharmacy, UAE. Vacancy says DHA licensed pharmacist with 2 year UAE experience and fluent in English, Hindi, and Arabic languages. Send your resume by email to info@bawabatph. Next vacancy is at Silver Star Printing Materials Trading, UAE. The vacancy is for sales executive with minimum 2 year experience is required. Send your resume by email to hr@silverstarua.com. Next vacancy is at AMA Group of MEP Contracting Company, Sharjah. Vacancies for accountant, driver, BMS electric engineer, and BMS electrician. Send your resume by email to hr.ammagroup. Next vacancy is at Power Plastic Factory, Ajman. Vacancies are light and heavy vehicle driver, helper, and HPE pipe welder or fabricator. Send your resume by email to hr@powerplasticpipe. Next vacancy is at Al Hayat Medical, Dubai. The vacancy is for assistant nurse. Send your resume by email to alhayatmedical.llc@gmail.com. Next vacancy is at Jebel Jais Water Factory, Dubai. The vacancy is for a salesperson, 3 numbers. WhatsApp your CV to 052 303 5895. Next vacancy in UAE is for accountant cum office admin. Minimum 2 year experience is required. Send your resume by email to recruitment.rctjob@gmail.com. Thanks for watching my channel Jobs in UAE. If you like this channel, kindly share this video to your friends and kindly subscribe as well.